2019 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.